Good morning everyone. This is Uma Maheshwari working as an English lecturer in Government Polytechnic Jogipet. In this lesson I am going to teach you voice. Voice, active voice, passive voice. Active voice. Active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such sentences. The sentences are said to be in the active voice. Once again, active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such sentences. The sentences are said to be in the active voice. Example: the judge is reading the case. In this sentence, the judge is subject of the action. Reading is a active voice. He has sold the house. He is the subject. Has sold, active voice. One more example: the police arrested the criminal. In this sentence, the police indicates the subject. Arrested is a active voice. These examples show that the subject is doing the verb's action. The dog jumped onto the boy. The dog jumped onto the boy. The dog is a subject. Jumping is a verb. Christy will give a book report to the class. In this sentence, Christy is a subject. Giving is a verb. Now, passive voice. In a passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip-flop. The subject becomes the passive recipient of the action because the subject is being acted upon. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice because the subject is being acted upon. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice. For example, the criminal was arrested by the police. The criminal was arrested by the police. In this sentence, the criminal indicates subject. Subject is receiving the action. Was arrested, passive voice. The case is being read by the judge. By the judge. In this sentence, the case is a receiver of the action. Is being read, passive voice. The house has been sold by him. The house has been sold by him. The house is a receiver of the action. Has been sold is a passive voice. These examples show the subject being acted upon by the verb. Subject being acted upon by the verb. The boy was jumped on by the dog. In this sentence, boy is a subject. Was being jumped on. Jumped is a verb. The book report will be given by Christy to the class. In this sentence, report is a subject. Given is a verb. See, reason to use active voice. Most writers prefer to use active voice because it is more direct. Most writers prefer to use active voice because it is more direct compared to active and passive. In active, the waiter dropped the tray of food. In passive, the tray of food was dropped by the waiter. The active voice is less awkward and clearly states relationship between subject and action. The active voice is less awkward and clearly states relationship between subject and action. In the sentence, passive voice is your request for funding has been denied by the review committee. In active, the review committee denied your request for funding. When to use passive voice? See, in general, the passive voice is less direct, less forceful and less concise than the active voice. Listen carefully. In general, the passive voice is less direct, less forceful and less concise than the active voice. Use the passive voice in the following situations. First of all, use passive voice when you do not know or do not want to reveal the performer of an action. Use passive voice when you don't know or don't want to reveal the performer of an action. Use passive voice when you wanted to emphasize the receiver of an action. Use the passive voice when you wanted to emphasize the receiver of an action. For example, she buys a book. She buys a book. See difference between active voice and passive voice. First of all, she buys a book. In this sentence, she is a subject of the action. Buys is a active voice. In passive voice, a book is bought by her. A book is bought by her. A book is a receiver of the action. Is bought, passive voice. Leela Ben will ride the bike. Leela Ben will ride the bike. Leela Ben is the subject of the action. Will ride, active voice. The bike will be ridden by Leela Ben. By Leela Ben. The bike is a receiver of the action. Will be ridden, passive voice. He wrote a letter. In passive voice, we have to use V3 form. V3 in passive. He wrote a letter. He is a subject of the action. Wrote is a active voice. A letter was written by him. In this sentence, a letter is a receiver of the action. Was written, passive voice. They will take tea. They is a subject. Subject is doing the action. Will take is a active voice. Tea will be taken by them. In this sentence, tea is a receiver of the action. Will be taken, passive voice. See, taken is a V3 form. Awkward passive. My bicycle was repainted by John. Deliberate passive. My bicycle was repainted. The performer is not mentioned and the emphasis is on the bicycle. See what is the mean by once again active voice. Active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such sentences. The sentences are said to be in the active voice. Passive voice. In a passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip-flop. The subject becomes the passive recipient of the action because the subject is being acted upon. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice. Now, how to convert active voice into passive voice? Actually, there are 12 tenses in English. Actually, how many tenses? 12 tenses in English. All the sentences of 12 tenses in active voice cannot be converted into passive voice. There are 12 tenses in English. All the sentences of 12 tenses in active voice cannot be converted into passive voice. There are 4 tenses which cannot be converted into passive voice, which are continuous future tense, continuous perfect present tense, continuous perfect past tense, continuous perfect future tense. Once again, continuous future tense, continuous perfect present tense, continuous perfect past tense, continuous perfect future tense. Remaining 8 tenses in active voice can be converted into passive voice. There are 5 basic rules to convert active into passive. Remaining 8 tenses in active voice can be converted into passive voice. There are 5 basic rules to convert active into passive. Convert object of active into subject in passive voice. See, convert object of active into subject in passive voice. According to tense of active voice, use auxiliary verb of passive voice. Always put them main verb into past participle. Always put them main verb into past participle. Now convert subject of active voice into object in passive voice and put by before it. Now convert subject of active voice into object in passive voice and put by before it. For example, Mona is writing a letter. In this sentence, Mona is a subject, writing is a verb, a letter is an object. In passive, a letter is being written by Mona. In active voice, letter is a object, but in passive, a letter is a object, but that is in sentence subject. A letter is being written by Mona. A letter is being written by Mona. Auxiliary verbs of 12 tenses in passive voice. Simple present tense, simple present tense, am, is, are. Simple past tense, was, were. See, simple present tense, am, is, are. In sentences we have to use for simple present tense am, is, are, these words. Simple past tense, was, were. Simple future tense, shall, will be. Continuous present tense, am, are, is, being. Continuous past tense was, were, being. Perfect present tense has, have been. Perfect past tense had been. Perfect future tense shall have been, will have been. Remaining four tenses are not used in passive voice. Continuous future tense, continuous perfect present tense, continuous perfect past tense, and continuous perfect future tense. These four tenses not used in passive. Now, conversation of pronouns as subject into object, object into subject. In subject I, in subject I, object me, we, us, you, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. This is all about tenses. Sorry, this is all about voice. Now, verb changes in passive voice. How to change? Listen. In simple present tense, example, he sells vegetables. In passive, vegetables are sold by him. Present continuous tense, he is selling vegetables. In active voice, he is selling vegetables. Vegetables are being sold by him. In present perfect, he has sold vegetables. In passive, vegetables have been sold by him. Now, simple past. He sold vegetables. This is active. In passive, vegetables were sold by him. Now, past continuous. He was selling vegetables. In passive, vegetables were being sold by him. Now, past perfect. He had sold vegetables. In active, he had sold vegetables. In passive, vegetables had been sold by him. Simple future. Simple future. He will sell vegetables. This is active. In passive, vegetables will be sold by him. Now, future perfect. He will have sold vegetables. In active. In passive, vegetables will have been sold by him. See, small note again. There are 12 tenses in the English language, but only the above 8 tenses are used in passive voice. The other 4 tenses, present, past, future perfect continuous and future continuous tenses, are not usually used in passive voice. Okay. One more point. A passive verb should contain some form of be and a V3 form of a verb. Forms of be used in passive voice: am, is, are, have been, has been, am being, is being, are being, was, were, had been, was being, were being, will be, can be, may be. These forms are. Note that when we do not know who does something, there is no need to use by and an object in passive structure. Similarly, by and an object are not required when the object is evident. Okay, this is about voice. Thank you.